Reddit. How did you lose your virginity? Girlfriend at the time. I was staying at her house for her little brother's confirmation in a spare bedroom. She walked into the bedroom wearing a toweling robe. She took off the robe and got into bed with me. There was a charity thing on the telly. Childline. 1988. And I lost my virginity to Scottish band Wet 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 singing a cover version of With a Little Help from My Friends, originally by the Beatles. This song. https www.youtube.com/watch v equals w8 w4 usnucxw. I'm old.